Buy 4. Dynamic AMOLED display Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset 12GB RAM quad camera setup on the backside 12MP selfie shooter at the front battery compatible with 45 watts fast charging on-screen fingerprint sensor dust-proof IP68, water resistant. Verdict. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G comes loaded with a plethora of high-end specifications, proving beneficial for both personal and professional needs. You can depend on the device with great visuals, advanced camera features, powerful processor setup and impressive battery layout. It is also a water-resistant and dust-proof functionality-equipped smartphone, featuring an on-screen optical fingerprint sensor. A great companion for your personal and professional life. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G Cent a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display features a pixel density of 501p along with a resolution of 1440 by 3008 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. This bezel-less display also flaunts a refresh rate of 120Hz layered with a Corning Gorilla Glass. A 200MP f/1.8 wide-angle shooter, a 10MP periscope camera, two 10MP cameras and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera are placed on the rear side of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G along with an LED flash. For the front side, the brand has installed an amazing 12MP f/2.2 wide-angle primary shooter that clicks beautiful selfies. Configuration and battery. The brand has placed an indigenous Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset accompanied by a 12GB RAM. It also includes an octa-core processor comprising a Cortex-X3, Cortex-A715 and a Cortex-A510 layout, capable of performing at the maximum speed of 2.91 GHz. Furthermore, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is also equipped with an Adreno 740 GPU that promises exceptional graphics. The smartphone derives its operational energy from a Li-ion battery with a charging capacity of 5000 mAh. The particular is also non-removable by nature and supports a 45 watts fast charging system. Storage and connectivity. A vast 256 GB of internal storage is loaded within the device. The device also has 216 GB user storage. For voice and video calls, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G supports 4G VoLTE network connections. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.1, a GPS with GLONASS and USB Type-C. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G price starts from 124,999 rupees. The lowest price of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G is 124,999 rupees. This is 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G which is available in green, red, phantom black, cream, graphite, sky blue, lime